when you're building something like that, it is going to be a high-tech shed with solar equipment, temperature monitoring of the soil, of drainage system. Subscribe to follow the project. You have to consider how you fix it from movement, from that kind of moving, especially when this part is built separately from the old part, that 150 years old shed. So, and I'm going to cover this briefly in that video, but there is going to be another experiment about it later. Well, and actually you don't have much options, or probably you have, with that kind of foundation, like you can see here, 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 there and there. So you use, I think you call it anchors or concrete screw, like that, yeah. So you drill it, you hammer it, and then you connect it. And this option is quite repairable. When the floor will be here, yeah, it will cover, of course, but you can always remove floor, unscrew the nut and rise up this building, this frame, and put something under if it's become lower, and it will, I guarantee. So I could show you, but probably you are not interested. So why it's not till the end? Because it has place for movement, so I recommend to do this way. Actually, it's not because of this here, it's because of my first mistake. It's not so deep, but let's use this back as a feature. And here you can see we almost don't have space, but you always can open and repair it. So you can open, put the new one. Actually, you don't need maybe open here, you can open it also over there. But the most interesting part, what kind of materials you use, stainless steel, galvanized or not. You should use only stainless steel usually with that kind of treated wood. And there is going to be an experiment, a long-lasting experiment. So subscribe to see it. I want to see how different kind of metal behave over the years with this kind of wood, and also experiment about that system. They are movable. We will see over the year what will happen, what and how will move. So remember to like and subscribe.